everyone, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the JB4 mobile app. Now, to make the JB4 mobile app possible via Bluetooth, you need the JB4 Connect Kit. The Connect Kit is $140 and it transmits the data from the JB4 to your JB4 app. Now, the app itself is $27.99, so you need to purchase both of those to be able to transmit it here to your phone. Now, the JB4 mobile app has been out for quite some time now. It makes things so much easier when you're trying to check for codes, data logging, doing firmware updates, changing any of the user settings on your JB4 itself without going into, the volume down, channel down button to go into the many JB4 options. It makes things a little bit easier because it's all on your phone, especially with data logging and exporting and all that kind of stuff. You don't have to grab the laptop out. You don't have to do any of that. It's all Bluetooth and it's been great. So I've had the JB4 Connect Kit, Bluetooth, and the app for 2 years as of today, and it has worked flawlessly and I love it to death. It makes things so much simpler. So let me take you on the walkthrough of that and we can get started here in a second. Now I'm going to post a few videos in my description box below as far as doing the firmware update using the JB4 mobile app, and then the 2 videos as far as how to use the JB4, the many options, and then what map you should run when you purchase your JB4. All of that's in the description box below. Now let's head over to the app and I'll give you the walkthrough of all the features within here. Let's go. What you're going to do is you're going to open up your screen. You got the display here. You can change all 6. You can only display 6. You got the connect, start logging. All you got to do is hold your finger on whatever gauge you want to change and then flip through and select your new gauge. Once you go into your logs, you're just going to click on that. Once you pull it up, you can select your graph option and show you that. Go out of it, you go back into your log, and then you can email it, rename it, or see the CSV preview. You can see all the many JB4 options that you can see right then and there. Codes, just click your code button and then read codes. It's going to sit there for a second and read. No codes found, you can delete them right then and there. And then it's going to recheck them again after you delete them to make sure it's fully deleted. And then if you want to check your show saved ones, you can do that as well. Settings icon, just click on the settings. You scroll down, you see all the many things. User adjustment settings we'll go through. That's map 6 right there, as you see. But this goes into all your different many options that you have on there. If you exit out of that, you can go back through the cool different things, right? Wide open throttle, change your gauges, auto connect. There you have the different average ignition max values, clear codes again, it's going back to it, and then disable Wi-Fi warning. All right, everyone, there you have it. The overview of how to use the JB4 mobile app when you have a JB4 on your car. Like I mentioned, everything's in the description box below. You will be happy that you did so once you get this set up. It makes life so much simpler to when you're trying to data log, checking codes, all that kind of stuff. Makes it a breeze with the app itself. Be sure to check out those other videos like I mentioned down below. And as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Have a great day and see you tomorrow. Take care.